Here's my review on this book bag. First off, it's beautiful. I wanted the blue one, but the blue one was not offered in the 17.5 one. And I needed a little bit bigger of a book bag because I have a huge computer. So first, let's look at this. So I have a lot of stuff in here. I have this big freaking computer, okay? It's huge. I'll take it out so you can see. And then I have all these notebooks. And they're big notebooks that, you know, us college people, we usually use. And there's still room. Now, I know I don't have anything really in these pockets, but it just feels so spacious. And it closes like, this is thick. So it's kind of like a purse, like, I don't know, a briefcase of some sort. And it closes up. Anyway, let's go down here. So this was fitting all my stuff. And I was a little worried, right? Because at first I was like, can it fit my lunchbox? And it's kind of big. Like, if I put my hand to this, I don't have a big hand. I have like a medium. If I put on medium medical gloves, this is my hand. Stretch it out. It's as big as my hand. I can put this in here. And it's a little tight fit. I mean, not really, to be honest with you. It really is not. I can close this with one hand. That says enough. I don't have anything in this other pocket, but I am going to get utensils, the little utensils pack that just will fit right in there. No other thing that I really need to put here, just because my lunch is more important. And it will stay stable. Sorry, don't look at that dirty container. Sorry. Let me put this back underneath the blanket. Anyway, so one other thing that I really wanted to recognize is that when I take these out, right, the bottom is hard. And it came like, you can take this off and you still have space to put stuff there if you don't have a lunch. If you have a lunch, this thing is sturdy as heck. It's sturdy. Not only that, but it fit my big computer, which is why I got the 17.5 one. It's freaking heavy. Like, it's heavy. Like, if I put it up to the big notebooks that usually you get in college, that's how much bigger it is. So if you have a big computer like me, more than likely, probably, it's gonna fit. Mine like barely fits, but it closes, and it doesn't snag. The zipper doesn't snag or anything. What else to mention? The pockets are...
Okay, so this bag came in folded like this inside of this box, which came inside of another box that you see right here. Here's the front portion. It feels really good. Here's the second part to the front portion. Oop, I kind of just yanked that out. Oh, this is the lunchbox, you guys. Pretty straightforward, no compartments, so you just guess you'll pack your food in there. I'm taking this on the plane, so I won't be bringing any drinks because I don't feel like messing with TSA, so I'll just be packing food in here. Okay, which opens this compartment right here. Oh, it goes all the way to the top. Like, my hand is all the way up here to where that blue part is. That's where it is right now. So this is a deep compartment.
All right, for anyone who was wondering if this is insulated inside, it is not. I had the same question and had to find out the hard way. It does come with a cooler. It does not come with a power bank. That is something that I bought myself. And also, it's kind of weird. I feel like this is kind of pointless because it literally, like, it's just a hole. It's literally just a hole. I don't know what's going on here. So if you're wondering if it's worth it, I would say it is not worth it. But if you want a giant backpack and you want a cooler that comes with it, then yes, it is worth it. But as a cooler backpack, no. I would say find something else. However, it is a giant.
This is the inside of the bag, and it's basically like you only have this much space here to put items. It's not that much space to put like your regular items. So this is all you have, plus the lunchbox takes up the majority of the bag because it's not like it's just here. So they have two zipper parts for the lunchbox part. So
So the divider is built in. It's down here. And then you Velcro it to the inside up here. Like so. And now there's a separate compartment.
you can see right here, the zipper came off track. This is after 1 week. I didn't pull it or anything. This is what happened. Same thing on this side. Zippers is all tracked. After 1